Thank you for checking into Think Museums. Today I'm flying from Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya, to Kisumu on the western side, which is the third largest city in Kenya. The flying distance from Nairobi to Kisumu is 164 miles. We'll fly for around 45 minutes. So it's going to be a very short flight compared to what I'm always used to. So when you visit Kisumu, what you'll see is Lake Victoria, one of the biggest lakes in Africa, the largest lake in Africa, and the second largest lake in the world. It's also the source of the River Nile. Lake Victoria is not the only thing you'll see in Kisumu. If you love the night scenery, well, you got the music, and the beat is wonderful. If you love shopping, the malls are so many here, and they carry international product as well as local products. If you love creativity, well, Kisumu is a center of art, so this is a place to be again. And this is why I love this city. It has everything within.
Very foggy. Yeah, it is. It is, but should clear out in the next few months. Once it rains, it all goes away. And Eldoret is about 10 minutes that way.
Oh, 10 minutes away?
Yeah. It's quite short.
I think you guys have the most finest job.
We say that about other guys.
2,500.
So the runway is there.
Oh, so you're going there. Do you have to take it at an angle or what?
Yeah, you see now because of this, the way it's depicted
Oh, okay.
when I don't. Because of the terrain.
Ah,
So you can't come straight because it's high, so you have to come in.
wow.
I'm heading to Kisumu. Something just happened. UNESCO just inscribed a rock formation called Kit Mikayi as on the list of intangible cultural heritage. So this is important to Kisumu as a cultural center, and as a Kisumu resident, I'm so happy to have this site inscribed because I know it's going to bring Kisumu into the global limelight, which Kisumu as a city already is, but such kind of things puts us in the cultural map. So I'm so happy for that.
1,000.
Please check on the description below. I'll leave the links to Kisumu City and also another link of UNESCO talking about the inscription of Kit Mikayi as a World Heritage Site. Well, if this is your first time to this channel, as we head to Kisumu, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get more updates every week. Well, did I mention that Lupita Nyong'o, the Oscar-winning actress and former President Barack Obama of the United States, trace their roots to Kisumu? Yes, they do.
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
As we arrive here in Kisumu, I'd like to thank the two pilots, David and Vincent, for inviting me to their cockpit and for putting up with my nosiness. I was trying to be as inquisitive as possible to learn what they're doing. The flight was Jumbo Jet, which is part of Kenya Airways. It was wonderful, flying with this team and, just enjoying their company. Thank you for watching Film Museums. Subscribe and click on the notification bell for more uploads every week.